Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshan, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Windows 10 build 18855. This is part of the 20H1 development branch, and the final release of this development branch will be sometime in April 2020. So let me show you the version number. So as you can see, the version number hasn't changed. It's still 1903, and you can see the OS build 18855, and I'm running Windows 10 Pro. And you can see a change here is the expiry date has normally it was like 6 months. Now it has changed to 8/1/2020. So till January 8th the expiry date has extended, and that's a welcome change. But because we usually change the build every time they release a new build, so that doesn't matter, but that's a significant change if you intend to use it for a long time, a particular build, a stable build, then that's a good option. So let me show you the change log. So it was released on March 13th, and usually, as always, I'm late. So yes, I was testing this build out, and as you can see, same usual service return 20H1 requires a longer lead time, so most of the changes that you will experience will come after October 2019. So yes, and the 19H2 builds will be out after 19H1 is nearly finished, and I think it's almost finished, but they haven't released the 19H2 builds yet. And yes, I'll give you overview of the changes. The first thing is Notepad. First thing is the Notepad now automatically restores unsaved content when Windows restarts for update. So that basically means if your Windows restarts automatically, and if you have set the option to that way, and then if you were doing something like on Notepad, if it wasn't saved, then it will automatically restore the unsaved data. Like it will save the everything like Hibernate, and it will save it in the cache, and then you will be able to save it later on. And we have changes to the sandbox. So all these changes are to the sandbox. So I won't be able to show you sandbox. I can, but I won't, because sandbox is very resource intensive, and mine is an old PC and cannot handle sandbox and the recording software both at a time. So that's an issue. So I won't be showing you the sandbox features, but they have enabled the microphone in the sandbox, and functionality to configure the audio input device via the Windows Sandbox config file. So that's available. And we have the new shortcut for Shift plus Alt plus print screen to access the high contrast mode, and we have Control plus Alt plus break key for entering and exiting full screen. So those are the changes in the sandbox area, and other than that there are not many changes, and majorly all other fixes. Yes, there are known issues. I will put I'll link the blog post down in the description. You can check the post out and decide whether to install or not install this update. So as always, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe, please hit the bell notification icon, like this video, share this video. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.